Wonder Woman Wednesdays. Today we have Acharya Sangeeta Saxena with us. Sangeeta, who has been a banker for 20 years, suddenly disappears into a hiatus, and when she reappears back, she is Acharya Sangeeta Saxena. Welcome, Sangeeta.
Hi Mandeep, hi friends. Thank you so much for inviting me to this month.
Listen, what attracted you to astrology of all the things?
Yeah, Mandeep, actually I was a non-believer of astrology since my childhood. I never believed in this science. But a couple of years back, about 6 years back, once I was just sitting and spending time on internet, I came across a horoscope software. And out of curiosity only, I started making my horoscope in it. And the results came, those were quite similar to my life. This attracted me towards astrology and I started studying this science.
But going back to study full-time course after 30 years, how was it?
It was not easy, obviously, but when you have interest in something, then you can do it.
Of course, of course. And you are a gold medalist. I read in your resume. Is that right?
Yeah. Actually, I had a lot of fear when I first sat in a 3-hour exam after 30 years. But yes, finally, with the effort, hard work, I could do it. And then I topped there.
Congratulations. Really good. What kind of people come to
Thank
you
you
to
so much.
seek advice? Sangeeta? What kind of people usually come to you to seek
Yeah,
advice?
I am getting a lot of educated people coming to me, including CAs, MBAs, advocates. They come for their family advice, they come for their career consultations. They want to know for their children what subjects they will choose, which career line they will go, or how will their life be. And then I am getting a lot of marital issues. Nowadays, divorce rate has gone up. So people have a lot of relationship issues. Those cases come to me. In addition to some medical queries, like what kind of disease people may face, or a muhurta finding an auspicious time to start any event.
There is a lot of people, educated people there who think the science of astrology, the palmistry, and tarot card is all hocus pocus. What do you have to say to them?
I would only say you can't know taste of a dish till you taste it. So come have a taste of it.
That's a good one. I've always been very curious. I come from a Sikh family, so we didn't have any this thing into astrology. But I married someone whose family was little into it, so I don't have too much knowledge. But in the time that we just gave you my date of birth and my place of birth, surprise me. Tell me something about myself.
Yeah. Mandeep, you are highly creative, famous, intelligent, great speaker, and a blessed person. You wish to acquire knowledge from all possible sources. That's your motto, and keep helping others, obviously. You are a strong person, but take stress very easily, but calm down also very soon. And you forget this all in no time. Basically, basis your current dasha which is going on, you are very happy at this stage and you are doing a lot of noble causes for which your friends and associates are really supporting you. May I call you Lady Amitabh Bachchan?
Please don't. What is common between me and Amitabh Bachchan? Why? Why? What's happened?
Mandeep, you and Amitabh Bachchan both are stars. He is star of film industry, you are a star of HR industry. Both of you share a common Raj Yoga, which is the biggest Raj Yoga of astrology called Gaja Kesari Yoga. It is a mix of lion and elephant qualities. It makes you prosperous, popular, healthy, wealthy, long-lived, and it makes you a great speaker. You can talk on any topic fearlessly.
I mean, I will take the compliment, but I am not even a little part of what the Big B is all about, and I've never heard about this Gaja Ketri yoga. But nice to learn something new from you. And I only knew the both of us were Librans, but I didn't know anything more than that.
No, that is
Anyway,
your sun sign.
Sangeeta,
Actually, Mandeep, Western astrology works on sun sign. Whereas in Vedic astrology, we worked on moon sign, which is Gemini in your case. And your Lagna is also Gemini, your ascendant. So basis that you have excellent communication skills and writing skills, you are highly intelligent. So it come inherited to you.
you know what I like about astrology? They say nice things to everybody usually. Anyway, give us a tip for our VIP community. One tip for your VIP community.
For women community, I would only say age is just a number. So you should not stop at any age. Just go for it. Whatever is your passion, your hobby you want to pursue, just start it now.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Sangeeta. Lovely talking to you today. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks for inviting me here. Hi, I'm Acharya Sangeeta Saxena. You may consult me for behavioral issues of your kids, education, profession, foreign settlement, marital issues, medical problems, muhurta fixing. Why do we wait for problems to come to take any consultation? Consult now. We can't stop the rain, but we can definitely carry an umbrella with us. I'm also giving online astrology classes, which is just one class a week. So take out some time and join me. Thank you.